Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and this is the second video I'm doing for Easter. First video I did a couple days ago was a breakfast, which was cinnamon rolls, which are so yummy. Today I'm going to show you a very, very quick side dish. It's called cracked out pea salad. I think if we ever use ranch, it's going to be considered a crack recipe. So this is like this is about the third crack recipes I've brought you, but it's really quick and it's very delicious. So here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make this cracked out pea salad.
1 cup of uncooked elbow macaroni, 3 strips of cooked bacon, 3 green onions chopped, 2 cups of frozen baby peas thawed, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of prepared ranch dressing, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese.
Okay guys, this is gonna be quick. First thing we're gonna do is 1/4 cup of prepared ranch dressing. You can use the light, fat-free, whatever you want. Whatever ranch dressing you love the most. And 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. We're just going to whisk that together real quick. Okay, here goes. Now the recipe originally called for 3 green onions. I didn't have green onion, so I chopped up a regular onion, about 2 tablespoons, really small. I really feel like you're gonna need the onion flavor. If you hate onions, leave it out, but I really feel like it will give a good flavor. This is another recipe that you can make up and sit in the refrigerator for the next day because you want all the flavors to marry really well. The next thing we're going to add is 3 pieces of cooked bacon. So here we start doing the crack part, ranch, bacon. 2 cups of frozen peas thawed out to the best you can, but they'll thaw out if they're not completely thawed. Okay guys, the salad's almost ready. Mix that in. I have 1/2 cup of shredded, sharp cheddar cheese. You use the cheese that you love. Sharp cheddar is my favorite. As you can tell, every recipe that calls for cheese, that's what I use. Mix that in a little bit. And 1 cup of elbow macaroni, already cooked, drained, and rinsed. Rinsed. Always rinse it so our sauce will stay saucy and that it doesn't soak it up into the macaroni. So guys, this is it. Just gonna mix it up. How quick is this? This is gonna sit in the refrigerator, sit at least for 2 hours, but I would make it the night before. And pull it out when it's time to eat. It's really pretty, springy. Quick side dish, great for an Easter side dish, but why not for like a barbecue? Just something really quick for supper. Have some grilled chicken and a side of this. Yum. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Only because I love pepper. Pepper is one of my favorites. It makes it look so pretty. Have it all mixed up. Let's add it to a pretty bowl. Okay guys, it never fails that every time I try to do at least my 3rd video or 2nd video, my phone gets too full and it shuts off in the middle of me doing my video, and it did again to me this week. But at least it did it at the very end when I was trying to put our salad into a pretty bowl. So I put it into a pretty bowl. So I'm using my iPad right now, so the quality isn't as great, but look how beautiful this salad is. You guys really, really have to try this. Okay, guys. So I hope you try it, and I hope you love it. Like I said, it'd be great for Easter side dish, but also for a barbecue, like with some hamburgers and some grilled chicken, a great side. Bring to a potluck. I think a lot of people will love this. Who doesn't love ranch, bacon, and cheese, right? Okay. So guys, as always, if you are loving my videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell so you always know when I am posting a new video. Also, if you guys want to help me out at all, please share my videos on your social media. That will really help me grow my channel, because that is one of my goals. And if you like my videos, please give me a big fat thumbs up to let me know you like them. I really appreciate all of you guys that are watching. It really does my heart well. Hope you try this. And we have one more Easter video, a lemon lover's trifle. I think you're gonna love that too. Thanks, guys.